Hey creators, today I'll be making this elegant wall light. If you want to know how I did that, then stay tuned. You will need 2 plastic mats, a few pieces of wood, some vase fillers, E6000, a square mirror, also duct tape and bling wrap. Alright, so I'm just rolling up the mat now to give it its shape. I'm just using the tape to hold the mat together while I glue it. Now you want to apply the E6000 followed by some hot glue for the instant hold so I can continue to work. Once it's dry, I remove the tape and I go over it again with the hot glue. I just wanted to stop and take a moment to thank you for clicking on my video. It really means a lot. Now, if you hit the like button, it shows me that you like my videos and encourages me to make more. Here I'm just covering the piece of wood with a little bit of the tape, but I ended up using just 1 piece of wood versus 2. Okay, now I'm just going to be poking a hole, just enough for me to be able to put that piece of wood through it. After, I will be gluing the mat to the wood. Now I'm going to be putting some glue onto this wood piece so that I can connect the mirror to it. Now I'm just going to let that dry. Alright, now that the mat is dry, I'm going to start adding my crystals to it. I use a combination of this E6000 and the hot glue to attach the crystals. Right here, I'm just gonna glue a few gems to the mirror. I apologize not filming the part where I put the bling wrap onto the wood, but here I am now just going to connect the piece so that I can hang it onto the wall, onto the wood. And I do that by putting some glue on the wood, and then I end up screwing the screws into the wood. And this is the finished look. It's so beautiful and elegant. I love how it turned out. Tell me what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, bye.